Working on a Miele dryer. Customer complaint is it's not starting at all, no matter which options. During diagnostics, found it's a broken belt, so we will be replacing that today. All right, so the dryer here is opened up. Let me just set up my flashlight. This is the belt, and that's your idler pulley. You can see how it's broken here. Great, the new one is put on. This is the drum. You can see the new belt back on the pulley. So time to put it back together and retest. Great, so the new belt is put on. Again, that's the old one. Spinning. Everything's plugged in. Let's normal's fine. Let's start. There we go.